Welcome to the Formless Guide. Today, we enter the realm of the Seer, not the fortune teller, but the one who sees clearly. The Seer is an ancient, sacred identity found in every spiritual tradition, a figure who perceives truth beneath illusion, essence beneath form. We often associate the word seer with psychics and prophets, but in its truest form, the seer is a way of being, a quiet clarity that lives within each of us. This isn't about predicting the future. It's about perceiving the present with radical honesty. A seer is someone who has cultivated profound inner vision. They can look past the noise and distractions of the world to perceive what is real, what is interconnected, and what holds meaning. This is not a magical gift. It's a skill that we all can develop. This episode is a practical guide to accessing that inner vision. Spiritual seeing is a form of intuition and discernment. It's the ability to know without relying on logic alone. It means listening to that gut feeling, recognizing patterns that you may have in your life, and sensing the energy of a room or situation. Heighten this awareness. The seer's way of being teaches us that clarity comes from stillness. When the mind is quiet, perception gets chance to sharpen. True wisdom often resides in the quiet spaces, not in the loud, constant chatter of the world. This kind of seeing is not just about what's in front of you. It's about sensing the potential and the essence of things, their true nature in a way. It's a way of knowing yourself and others on a deeper level, moving beyond judgment and more so towards understanding. It is the ability to perceive the invisible threads connecting events, people, and feelings. Something that we mention in quantum entanglement. To deepen your inner vision, you can work with specific energy centers in the body. These centers, often called chakras, are not mystical objects. They are pinpoints of perception that we're going to use like lenses to help us perceive different levels of reality, from the physical to the subtle and energetic. For the seer, the most relevant centers are the third eye, the crown, and the heart. The third eye between the eyebrows, the gateway of insight where inner knowing pierces illusion. It helps you see beyond the surface to perceive subtle layers of information that are not physically present. The crown chakra on the top of the head, the lotus of light that opens to help you understand and perceive divinity, understand the divine energies that work within you as well as interact with you. When this center is open, it allows you to step back and see your life and the world from a place of clarity and expansiveness, truly connecting with consciousness. Next, the heart chakra, the center of the chest, This is the lens of compassion that is of significance whenever approaching any situation, be it spiritual or be it on your daily life. It softens what the third eye sees and grounds what the crown receives, allowing you to perceive with empathy and balance. By focusing on these centers, you're simply clearing and refining the lenses through which you view reality. Cultivating inner vision is a process of clearing your mind and trusting your inner signals. It's less about acquiring something and more about revealing what is already there. Here are the key practices. Cultivate stillness. You can't see clearly if you're in constant motion. Practices like meditation and focused breathing quiet the mind, creating space for inner vision to emerge. Listen deeply. Practice listening, not just to words, but to the feelings and intentions behind them. Trust your intuition. Learn to differentiate your intuition from your fears or desires. Intuition is often a quiet, clear voice, while fear is loud and anxious. Observe without judgment. When you look at your own thoughts or a situation, practice simply observing. Don't label it as good or bad. This simple act removes the emotional filter that distorts perception. Let's do a practice to activate these centers of perception. This is called the Seers Chakra meditation. I want you to sit comfortably with your spine straight. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Letting your body settle. Bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows. Place your focus there. As you breathe, imagine a violet flame gently flickering, burning away distortion and illuminating truth. With each exhale, I want you to let any tension or cloudiness dissolve. With each inhale, invite clarity in. Now let your awareness gently rise to the top of your head, the crown. Imagine 1,000-petaled lotus blooming with each breath, its petals made of light, opening to the infinite. Feel this light expanding, as if your perception is opening beyond the limits of your physical body. Let your awareness rest here. Just be the observer, giving space for consciousness to arise. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Take a final deep breath and open your eyes. The Seer is not a title you're given. It is a sacred identity that you can cultivate. It's about walking through the world with eyes that see beyond the surface, a mind that is quiet, and a heart that is open. To see clearly is to live wisely. The Seer walks not ahead of others, but beside them, quietly perceiving, yet gently guiding. May your vision be clear, your heart open, and your path illuminated. Until next time, this is your Formless guide, signing off.